Hello, boys and girls. I would just like to explain to you a little bit on how I expect you to do your Math 2 math work. First of all, you need to have your heading, which is supposed to be your name, the date, the school and class, and mathematics 2 worksheet 1 or worksheet 2, whatever number the worksheet is. You must also have a rough work area. The rough work area must be 2 inches wide. Okay, so you measure it with your ruler 2 inches and you draw a line. That is called your rough work. On this side is going to be called the working area. Now, if you are doing your work online, this is what you are going to get. Sorry. This here is the worksheet. Let's say this is just an example. This is a worksheet that you will be getting, okay? So what you will do is, since you will not print your work, you don't have to print your work. All you have to do is take your exercise book, and to solve number 1, what you do is you're going to copy number 1. So let's say number 1 on this paper that I have is 4 times 5 plus 14 plus 8 minus 36 divided by 9. So you will copy the problem, and right here you are going to solve it. Now this problem here is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS, which means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You are going to be taught that later on. Okay, but what you will do is you are going to write the problem and then you're going to solve it right here. Like in this case, we have to solve the one in parentheses first or the one in brackets. So this will be 22. Then you bring down everything. Okay. Then you have multiplication and you have division, which is done next. So you do multiplication because that comes first from left to right. So you will have 20 plus 22 minus, here you have division, so you can do that. 36 divided by 4, 9 is 4. So you put the 4 there. Now you add, because addition comes first, you are going to, from left to right, addition comes first. So you will say 20 plus 22 is 42 minus 4, which is going to give you 38. Okay? You can't do anything here unless you want to say, you want to divide 36 by 9, which will give you 4. All right? But if you know it mentally, you don't have to do it. Now, let's look at another problem. There is a problem similar to this. It's not exactly like this, but similar to that. Now, in this case, what you will do is you are going to copy this here. All right? Calculate how much Mr. James paid altogether for. All right? So you are going to copy that problem. So you are going to number it. That is 2. That one is 2A. You will number it in your exercise book, and then you're going to copy it. Calculate how much Mr. James paid altogether for, and then you put A, 8 adult tickets. Now you're going to use a pencil. Okay, to copy the problem you use a pen, and to do the solution you use a pencil. Now here on the paper it says that adult tickets cost $8. Okay, so what you will do is you are going to say $8. $8 times 8, which is equal to $64. Okay, so that is your step for that one. Then you will write B, 2 children tickets. C is for special tickets. All right, so now 2 children tickets. For 1 children ticket is $5, so you will have $5 times 2 gives you $10, right? And then you have 4 special ticket. For 1 special ticket, according to the information, it's $15. So you will have $15 times 4. So that will give you $60. Always remember to put your dollar sign. All right. Now here you are going to, because it says all together. All together, that means in all. So you are going to now add all of them. You are going to say $64 plus $60 plus $10. Now you put it like this in a line. All right, now you go to your rough work and you put it vertical. So here you will have 64 plus 60 plus 10. You add that and you are going to get 100. Since we have no cents, all right, we have 134. So that will be equal to 134. Now you write your answer. Now you will put answer, and I want to see the whole word. Answer. You will write it in complete sentence. Mr. James paid $134 altogether. Okay, so that this is how I want to see it. This here is called your steps, and this here is called your rough work. I don't want to see your rough work on your working area. I want to see it exactly the way I am showing you here. All right, so that's how I want to see your work. And now if you got a package and you receive a package, then you're going to do it on the paper using a pencil. All right, so the first step here, I will just show you this one. 8 adult tickets, so you will have $8 times 8 equals $64, because 8 times 8 is 64. Then 2 children tickets will be $5 times 2 equals $10. $15 times 4 equals $60. All right, now down here you are going to add everything. You will have 64 plus 60 plus 10. That will give you, then you go to your rough work, right? On this side, you will have $64 plus $60 plus $10. And here you're going to find your answer. All right, so this will be $134. Okay, now you answer, because you don't have space at the bottom here to answer in complete sentence, you will write it here. Mr. James paid $134 altogether. Okay? And that is how you are going to solve your Math 2 problems. This is the way how I want to see it. Now it says, what was Mr. James' change if he paid with $100 and $150 bills? 100 means 100 plus 50, which gives you $150, right? That's 150. Now he spent 134. So we say $150 minus $134 equals, we now go to our rough work and we subtract. Okay, we regroup here. 10 minus 4 gives us 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that would be $16. All right, so then you can say answer. Mr. James' change was $16. Okay? And that's what I want to see. This is your rough work, and these are the steps. I want to see the steps. If you just give me an answer on this side, you only get 1 point because you're not giving me the steps. You see? This is 1 point, and this is another point. 1 point and another point. So how many points will you get if you don't show me the steps? Only 1 point. So you need to show all the steps, okay? Thank you, and I hope that if you have any questions, just feel free to call me.